I have a current sensor here, INI 219. I've found a USB-C connection. This is with solar charging. So we're going to go into here. Just on the positive side, so, and it's an I2C bus. Let's solder that on, see how it works. Welcome to Mark's world. So I bought a SDR little dongle to plug into the computer for testing all the different nodes, you know. So I plug it in and I'm 868, yeah, approximately. And there's this click every second. Look at that. Click. Click. Well, I can pick it up on the conchens as well. Slightly different frequency. It's a couple of hertz, you know, a couple of numbers out, not much. But none of this stuff's calibrated, is it? I can't work out what that is. It's really strange. So I'm going to go around the house and turn everything off and work out what's... Is it every second? Probably. That's strange though, isn't it? Because if I operate the node, it doesn't look like that. Oh, where are we? That's the node over there. You see, in my ultimate wisdom, that's where I went wrong. So, I thought you could connect it all. You could have loads of sensors all on the I2C bus. But that's not what seems to be the case. I followed a guide to install this. And I followed a separate guide to install the temperature and what is it, humidity and barometric. And then this is the current shunt for doing the solar charging. I thought you'd be able to connect it all together. I was having a few problems with the GPS. Now looking into it, I think I may have connected it to the same I2C bus as the screen. And what I did notice was when this is flashing, doing its thing, the screen would slow down. It's almost like it's shoving too much data down the line. It doesn't like it. So we're going to have another think about it, a bit of research on the internet, see if I can daisy chain the sensors. I'm not quite sure. Or we just can't run this many sensors. That might be the case. Because yeah, I definitely found that this was jamming up the screen. Business, look at this. I've got my voltage, current, pressure, temperature, humidity. We got it all going on. GPS, oh yes. So what I did wrong was, you've got RX and TX for the GPS, something separate. The sensors are on the I2C bus. All you have to do is, they've got two wires, two data wires on each one. You just twist them together. That's all you have to do. And solder them on the back of the board. And then because they've got addresses, it's on a serial bus, isn't it? So as long as it's connected. It's all looking good. I've got to just do the final setup in the app. Let's see what happens. GPS. I've set the RX and TX up. We've got the current shunt and the environment sensor. GPS has had a little ping. The noise you can hear in the background is the SDR picking up the nodes. 4 satellites so far. Let's see. Oh yeah, look. 5 volts. Oh, I couldn't quite see. So everything's working. How cool is all that? Really quite easy. I'm not sure how many, I guess you could daisy chain loads of sensors together. I'm not 100% sure. But essentially there's, you think there's so you have an L wire and an A wire, 2 on each, and you just twist the A's together, the L's together, join them up as normal. Magic happens. It's a serial bus, isn't it? You know, it just chats to it. Oh, I'm mighty impressed. Just got to sort out a case to fit the monstrosity. Well, I'd like to see if I've got extra data on the app. Look at all my extra bits up here, look. We've got temperature, humidity, air pressure, voltage, and amps or milliamps. That's really cool. I don't know if I can collect the data and do anything with it. But it's sending it to the grid or the mesh map. So it's unclear whether we've got voltage current, 5 volts, and we've got negative 708 milliamps. Is that supposed to be positive or negative? You see what I mean? It could be taking. Do you see what I mean? Or it could be giving. So I might have the, there's 2 wires on the current shunt. But like a multimeter, they might be ran the wrong way. I'll have to do a bit of research. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. So it's definitely negative. I did buy a couple of the sensors, so I'm just fitting another one to this one. Just going to keep it one environmental sensor on that one. I decided to make the wire a little bit longer on this one so I can put it externally. This gets quite warm when it's charging. Yeah, because it's 24 degrees. Oh, that's the next one. Time to connect it to the mesh.